Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the Stock Market and Option Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for education purposes only. Shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options carry risk. Hey, our Pro Summit, it's fast approaching, 6 weeks away. Get yourself registered. It's going to be awesome. You'll learn a ton, and you will get a lot out of it. So go to optionpit.com and click on our Trader Summit to learn all about it. You can email us or call us if you have questions. Speaking of questions, how about this market being questionable? You have an S&P that's opened up a little bit on expiration. Today is expiration Thursday, a rarity. Happens about every 3 years. But markets are closed tomorrow. You've got the SPX down a couple of points, the VIX down, and VVIX down and VXN down. So kind of everything is off, right? SPX is down, VIX, down, VVIX down, VVIX. The other indexes are kind of a mixed bag. The NDX is down. The Dow is up. And the Russell continues to be poop town. I'm not sure why the Russell's performing so poorly. Oil hasn't been doing that much. XLE's been strong. It's not oil, and the financials have been doing pretty well too. It just, nobody wants small and mid caps. They are getting punched. The spike index, SPY vol, is 1237, so kind of lockstep with the VIX. SPY has definitely been interesting, but it, much like everything else, is really not been doing much. Sitting here right at that 29, right below 2,900. I might set up a little bull play in SPY today. There's also earnings and other things last night that I'm going to be keeping an eye on. And everybody reported. I'm going to probably take a little time to look at. We also have the Mueller report that's being released. Be interesting to see how that affects the SPX. I don't think it will. But if we give away a little bit, it also could lead to vol coming in at the same time, because that will release, let everyone know that, you're kind of undoing a place of pent-up fear. We have a big earnings week next week that I think is going to matter and could certainly move things around. You have Microsoft coming up, Amazon, CMG, but we do have a long weekend. They tend to be extremely slow. The pits are pretty empty today, so things tend to be very slow today, and it's not very hard for things to get kind of pushed around on low volume. So, while I think we're going to hold a 10, 12-point range, it is possible that one player decides to move one way or the other, and we take off. Doesn't feel like that's going to happen, but it's certainly in the cards. On the day, I think you're going to look for VIX down, SPX down, marginally on both. All right, folks, I hope you have a great morning, and I'll talk to you soon.